This is Melissa at Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is Let's Get It Done. Our host is the Prather Light. Please check out her channel and all the creators in the playlist. And here's what we're doing today. We're going to start packing. No, we are moving. We haven't found a house yet, so we're technically not moving, but we're preparing to move. Because I know it may be a month or two before we move, but I got to start somewhere. And so I'm packing and decluttering in the video. And you're going to see a lot of packing and decluttering because I have a lot to do, a lot to get ready for before we move. So we're starting today. Let's start packing some things in our kitchen. Let's start by packing these. And I'm going to use I'm going to just put some towels in between. Because I have to pack some towels anyway. Two of them came at once. I guess they're meant to be together. Okay, let's see if our strainer for canning will fit in there. Yeah, I got my silverware. I bought an extra one, which is nice because it seems like my spoons are running away. So I'll add that in there. Let's go through this drawer, some of which will go in our box. Like these can go in the box. I'll keep these here. I'll fold that up and put that in the box. I think I'm going to get rid of those. Okay, this one's gonna go. That one's gonna go. This one's gonna go, it's all ripped. This one's gonna go because it just looks bad. That's gonna go because the lining's ripping. Okay, I'll keep these in here. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Because I have to have some to use until we till we do move. And I do cook a lot, so I gotta have some. Okay, box number 2 has got my aprons in it. And I'm gonna put some canning stuff in there. Number 2 is my aprons, all but 2. I did keep 2 out. And my canning supplies. All but a couple things in case I did want to can something.